Alright guys, my name is Shervin and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to unbox the Crypto.com credit card that just came in the mail. Now, I previously made an entire video talking about the Crypto.com credit cards, and I talked about how I was interested in getting one as well. Well, I did it. I went ahead and I staked for the Ruby card. I was thinking about getting the Royal Indigo card at first, but given all the volatility that is happening in the crypto sphere right now, I just decided let's go with the safer route. Let's just get this one first, and I can look into getting that later after I experience this one. Now, before we get on with the unboxing, I just wanted to say if you're new to my channel and you enjoy this video, go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below and join the community. I make new videos about personal finance and investing on a regular basis, and by subscribing to the channel, you get to see all my new videos right as they come out. And of course, if you're eager to see me unbox this bad boy, go ahead and smash the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. But alright, with all that said, let's get right into it. Now first, we gotta remove this thing over here, so let's go ahead and do that. How does this work? There we go. And over here we got a little bit of paperwork right there. And of course we have this. There it is. Wow, that feels premium. That's actually much heavier than I expected. And of course I'm just gonna block the information on the back just to show you the back. Very normal, just like a normal credit card. We have the numbers and everything over there. And of course on the front it has my name and not much more information really, just a chip, and looks pretty good. Now, just to delve into it a little bit deeper, you have to stake $400 US or $500 Canadian in order to get this card, and you have to stake it for 6 months. This means that I essentially had to buy $500 worth of CRO and stake it, meaning I'm not going to sell it for 6 months. Of course, after the 6-month term is over, I am free to sell my CRO coins and get my money back while still keeping this card. Now, with this card, you get 100% back on your Spotify membership, and as well as that, you get 1% back on everything else. Although keep in mind, all the cashback will be given to you in the form of CRO coins in your Crypto.com account. But if for whatever reason you don't want to keep the cashback in the form of CRO, you can just sell it right away as it comes in. Now, as I mentioned before, I was first looking into signing up for the Royal Indigo card, which would require a staking of $5,000 Canadian or $4,000 US. Now, even though that is a lot of money to stake on the CRO coin for 6 months, you do actually get a lot more rewards with that card. Now, those rewards include 3% cashback, as well as 100% back on Spotify and your Netflix membership, and of course, airport lounge access with that credit card. Also, on top of that, if you regularly stake Bitcoin and Ethereum on Crypto.com, which is something that I usually do, you would actually get a higher interest rate from your stakings if you have that credit card. So even though you would have to stake a lot more to get that card, it actually is a very valuable card and something that I wanted to get. Now, for the time being, I intend to use the Ruby card as sort of a trial period, just to see how the Crypto.com credit cards actually work, if they work flawlessly, if they actually give the cashbacks right away in your account, and if the customer service is up to par. And again, if you guys are interested in learning more about that stuff, feel free to let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing me make a video about this. But that is essentially what I'm looking to do with the Ruby card in the meantime. And if all goes well and the volatility in the crypto sphere calms down a little bit, I will look into getting the Indigo card as well. Now, what I want to know is if any of you guys have had a crypto credit card before and what your experience was like. Because again, this is my first Crypto.com credit card and I have no idea what to expect. I don't know what to expect with the customer service. I don't know how the cashback is going to work, if it's going to come in right away as they promise, or if it's going to take a while. Who knows? I guess we'll find out together. Now, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and let you guys know what I'm doing with that credit card. If you have any questions about this card or anything else related to Crypto.com, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always happy to answer any question that comes in. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.